How to check how many hours you use your phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find your daily and weekly screen time stats directly on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. From there, you'll be taken to your Digital Wellbeing dashboard showing an overview of your phone usage. At this point, you'll see a chart at the top displaying how many hours and minutes you've spent on your phone today. In the next step, tap on the chart to get a more detailed breakdown of your screen time. Following this, you'll see a full list of all the apps you've used along with exactly how much time you've spent on each one. Once done, scroll down to see your usage stats broken down by individual apps from most to least used. From here, tap on any app from the list to see a more detailed daily and weekly breakdown of your usage for that specific app. At this stage, go back to the main Digital Wellbeing screen and scroll down to find your unlocks count, showing how many times you've picked up your phone throughout the day. After this, you'll also see your notifications count, showing how many notifications you've received. Finally, if you want to set limits on your usage, tap on Set Timer next to any app to cap how long you can use it each day. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you track how many hours you spend on your phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.